To log into your Crunchyroll account is a simple step. So let's get started. Simply open your preferred web browser and tap on the search address bar and visit www.crunchyroll.com. Once inside the official website, on the top right corner of the home page, you will see the account or profile icon available. Simply click on it, then a drop down menu will appear. From there, you can see login, create account option available. If you don't have a Crunchyroll account, then you'll have to create it. But today we are here with login section, then tap on the login. Now here in email, enter the email address associated with your Crunchyroll account. Then simply on the password, enter your Crunchyroll password. And once you have entered your credentials, simply click on the login button to access your account. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.